Hey guys, this is Frank from Divergent Drums. I'm going to do a short video tonight on internal cabling with our Yahama DTX 542K. Hope you like it. Alright, what we've got here, this is the clamp on our top bar. This particular clamp has a gap in it. As you can see, all the wires are fed through the gap into the top rack tube. As you can see, there are no wires hanging down. It's very clean. There is no pieces of Velcro, no strapping. Moving to the other side of the top rack bar, here's the right side clamp with the wires coming out from the tube. Again, there's a gap in the rack clamp and enables us to run them right through without having to drill any holes. We used two straps here to hold the wires in, so they're not really seen from any camera that may be out in the front. And looking down, here is the left side clamp on our right side bar, again with all the wires fed through the clamp, the hole in the clamp, and going into the right side tube. Here we are at our side tube. This particular post is mounted in between two small rack tubes that used to be our center tubes before we modified our rack. Again, the wiring is routed through the little gap in the clamp. It is a little tight, but no wire was damaged in doing this. Very clean. As you can see, there are no wires on the outside. No extra Velcro. Is very nice. Kind of a custom cable snake, but without the pin connector. And here's the back of our module here. And everything is very clean. We put one strap on here to hold wires together so they're not drooping down. So if we want to take it off to move the module, we have them all clumped together and just pick it up one time. Well, that's it for internal cabling. Any questions about that, please put them in the comments below. We'd love to share more about what we did with this. My son, Matthew Schroeder, is the person who did all the work on this. He came up with the idea, so there might be a separate video when he gets back from camp of exactly what he did. I might even be able to convince him to do it again, to tear apart the kit and reroute everything, and maybe make it even better. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching this, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please take the time to subscribe and hit that bell icon. You can see all our videos if you do that. We're planning lots of stuff for the future. We want to make this as big as possible and really get out there and communicate with you guys, support the drumming community, and just spread the love. I want to give one other shout out to Miles Ennis. He is another drum cover YouTuber. He shouted us out earlier today and wanted to return the favor. Thanks so much, Miles, for shouting us out, for supporting our channel and spreading the love that way. News about us for the next week. The house is mine for the next week. My wife is gone, and so is my son. They're both out doing Boy Scout stuff in different parts of the country. So I get a whole week undistracted where I can film. I'm hoping to do 2 drum covers this week. I'm not sure what they are yet. I haven't figured that out. I do know that I want to do 2 more DTX 502 lessons. The first one is going to be a sequel to my sound layers lesson. And the second one is probably going to be a lesson on how to activate the double kick pedal feature of the 502 module. Thank you again, guys, for watching, and you have a great day.